Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply use survey beacons in Apex Legends. So if you're around a survey beacon and you're curious why you cannot scan it, the reason is that you need a recon class legend in order for it to work. So first things first, let's go ahead and find ourselves a recon beacon, which is going to be this one. As you can see, it's called beacon. Now let's just go ahead and wait for our player to land, and one of the character that I'm using is Crypto. This is basically a recon legend. I believe other legends such as Bloodhound can also go ahead and make this work. So what you want to do is to basically get close to the beacon, and from here a controller will appear called used survey beacon. So you just want to go ahead and hold the button, and right after it will then scan enemies around this huge part of the map. And so that's how simple it is to use the recon beacon, and it will go ahead and also make you a lot better after scanning. Now that's a joke. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.